So this is my bag and it's full of all the goodies. There was another one of these tennis bracelet type. This Shinchan keychain and it's like so cute. A Mahabaleshwar truck filled with strawberries and two flowers, and I got this bag for 150 I think. Hello girlies, ik ben Sharwari. Welcome terug op mijn channel. So, in today's vlog, I'll be showing you girlies my whole Mahabaleshwar vlog. And if you think that my previous vlog and this vlog kind of look similar in appearance, that's because I'm filming both of the vlogs in one day. Like, we're working hard. Let's go. So, let's get into the video. So, this is my bag, and it's full of all the goodies that I got in Mahabaleshwar. So, let me show you girlies all of the things one by one. Let's go. First, I'm gonna start with some jewelry pieces that I got. So these bracelets, let me show them. So I got these, you can call the thicker one like a tennis bracelet. It's not exactly the branded type, but I got something similar to it and I like it. I think this one was like 50 rupees, and there was another one of these tennis bracelet types, and it was actually like a smaller diamond version, and it had these like kind of a mix of colorful and white diamonds. And I got the one which had like this rubyish darker color diamond one and white diamond, as well as kind of like lilac purple type of diamond. And I got these two bracelets for 50 or something. I think this one was 50, but this one was a little less than 50 I think, but currently I don't remember. Then the next in my haul is this bracelet. It's a silver bracelet, and I'll just add like the whole clip of it over here. It's really nice. Got its like on jingle, and I got this one for 150 rupees, and it was like from a free stall, like दुकान में ही ऐसा स्टॉल जैसा था. एंड जो ये टेनिस ब्रेसलेट्स लिए मैंने ये दो, वो मुझे एक स्टॉल लाइक हाथ गाड़ी वाला स्टॉल था, उधर एक आंटी ने वो स्टॉल संभाल रही थी, उनसे ये वाले दो ब्रेसलेट्स लिए मैंने. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट फ्रॉम दैट सेम आंटी का स्टॉल वर these like घुंघरू वाले bangles. I think they were famous as the Kashmiri bangles ka set, and I just wanted to get one of these for myself as well. And my cousin was like, don't buy them because they will like, I don't know if you can hear that, but they would really jingle a lot. But I was like, that's the point, that's the trend, that's what it's for, that's why there are like so many bells on it. And let me just put a clip of them. These were for 100 and I got like 4 of them for 100, and they were like golden multicolored ones over there as well, but I wanted like plain golden ones and I didn't see those, so I was like, let's just buy the silver ones and that's all. And I also got this silver bracelet. Let me add a clip. So I also got this silver bracelet from the same auntie, and this bracelet really caught my eye. Like the patterns on it are so cute and also pretty. Like it gives the wine के जो भी ऐसे leaves के ऐसे रहते हैं ना patterns, that's what it reminds me of. So I got this one for 150. So I think the total of this bracelet, this kada, these 4 bangles and these 2 tennis bracelets was like 400 something. So like इन चारों का total was 400 and I got like I think इनका प्राइस वैरी कर रहा था. ये आई थिंक 100 का था, ये वाला छोटा वाला 50 का था, ये 100 के बैंगल्स थे, एंड दिस वन वाज फॉर 150 एज वेल. सो 150, 150, 300 एंड दिस वन वाज फॉर 100. सो इट वाज लाइक पूरा इनका टोटल 400 को मुझे ये सब 4 चीज़ें दी उन आंटी ने. And on the same night I also got some bangles. Let me add a clip. So I got these white bangles from another vendor, and वो जो like भैया थे उन्होंने ये वाले bangles मुझे I think 200 220 या कुछ तो 200 के दिए थे शायद, एंड आई लाइक डोंट रिमेंबर द प्राइस, बट आई स्टाइल्ड these bangles with like my casual t-shirt right the next day because I really liked these bangles and I wanted to wear them as soon as possible. So I got them for like 200 I think they were probably more than that, 250 something, or like it was between 200 to 250 because I do not remember the price. And the next thing I got from the like market was this Shinchan keychain, and it's like so cute. It caught my eye when I was like walking past the store, and I told my dad I wanted this because I feel like I'm collecting lots of bag keychains now and I just want to collect more, and I'll add a clip here. It's just so cute. I really love it. Let me just put it in the bag though. So I was in Mahabaleshwar for 3 days, 2 nights, and the haul that I showed you girlies was the second night shopping that I did. कि like second night पे मैंने क्या क्या shopping किया, and first night पे मुझे कुछ shopping के लिए इतना कुछ लगा नहीं because I was just visiting the whole market area and I didn't feel like shopping because I was just so tired on the first night that I ended up clocking out. And उसी दिन second night के मतलब second दिन में मैंने और कुछ shopping किया था, वो मैं दिखाती हूँ अब. So me and my family went on like a bunch of points, Eco Point, ऑथर सीड पॉइंट वगैरह वगैरह। एंड वहाँ पर लाइक डिस्प्ले तो रहता ही है ना हमेशा कि लाइक ये सब सामान ले लो, वो सब सामान ले लो। एंड आई गॉट माई सेल्फ some fridge magnets, and let me just add a clip. This one was, I got 2 fridge magnets. One of them was a Mahabaleshwar truck filled with strawberries and 2 flowers, and one was like Meko. Like one thing I think everyone knows about me is I love fries. Like French fries are my favorite, और potato fries, जो भी उसका नाम है. I love them, and that's why I got one of these French fries as my fridge magnet as well. And they stick like really well, so I'm like happy about that. I can just like get more to the collection because that's how colorful my own fridge is going to look like when I get one for myself, like मेरे घर में आगे जाके. Let me take a water break, so you girlies drink some water as well. I feel like I'm serving looks today because of my specs on top of my head. Like somehow it just feels like it. Anyways, the next thing I got in that day itself, basically हमने पूरा like eco point, फिर author seed point वगैरह ये सब घूमे. And after we saw all those points, we went to Mahabaleshwar temple, and over there I got myself this pointy thing, and it was like for 150 Oh yeah, so I forgot to tell you girlies. So this Shinchan keychain was I think 190. Yeah, so this Shinchan keychain was 190 rupees ka, and these 2 fridge magnets were 100 rupees each. I forgot to tell you guys the price. That's how much water starved I was. Drink your water, girlies. And the next like spot जिधर हम गए was the Mahabaleshwar temple, and उधर temple में ही like temple से नीचे उतर के जाने के जिस रोड पे थे उधर एक लाइक वुड वर्क्स का शॉप था. एंड ओवर देयर आई गॉट माई सेल्फ दिस हेयर एक्सेसरी. Basically you take this and you put up your hair into a bun and you just insert this through your hair, so it keeps it like secure in a place. And this is like a clip as an example, and this cost me like 150 rupees. And by the way, मैं इतना spoiled हूँ ना कि मैंने जितना भी ये शॉप का हॉल दिखा रही हूँ वो एक तो मेरी बहन ने पैसे भरे हैं, नहीं तो फिर मेरे पापा ने पैसे भरे हैं. Not a single penny spent by me. Honestly, I am grateful to my parents and my sister क्योंकि like मन से thank you. So basically this is like really just so cool. That's why I got it. I was actually gonna get like this wooden mug as well, but my dad was like उसमें चाय तू कैसे पिएगी, it will rot soon and fast. So I was like ठीक है ना, फिर स्टील कवरिंग वाला देखती हूँ उसमें और वैरायटी रहेगा. I saw it, but it was like a really big mug, like, so I was like ठीक है, I'll just buy this hair accessory. Also ये सब होने से भी पहले I forgot the timeline, I apologize for that. So ये सब होने से पहले इन द मॉर्निंग जिधर हम लाइक नाश्ता करने गए थे उसके ही लाइन में लाइक स्टोर्स थे जिधर लाइक कुछ फैशन आइटम्स थे लाइक टॉप्स जैकेट्स वगैरह एज वेल एज देयर वर ऑल्सो लाइक दीज फिगरिंग्स ऑफ टॉयज़ लाइक मोटर बाइक्स के थे एंड ऑल बिकॉज लाइक आई लव बाइक्स तो उतना मुझे याद रहता है एंड आई गॉट myself this bag स्ट्रॉबेरी का एंड let me just add a clip because बहुत easy है वैसे edit करने में and I got this bag for 150 I think yeah I think I got this bag for 100 to 150 के बीच में and my mom also got one but like bigger in size and there was like 3 sizes in this one is like the medium size as compared to my face you can see the difference इससे भी छोटी एक साइज़ थी एंड इससे भी एक बड़ी साइज़ की भी थी for like the same type of strawberry bag एंड उधर की चेन्स भी थे स्ट्रॉबेरीज़ के एंड यू नो आई एम गोइंग टू गेट इट लाइक आई एम शॉपaholic at this point so I got like 2 keychains got this it's so cute see a clip so this is basically a स्ट्रॉबेरी के लाइन लाइक कभी भी तुम अगर जिधर स्ट्रॉबेरी का फार्म होता है उधर तुम अगर देखोगे तो स्ट्रॉबेरीज़ कैसे लाइक झाड़ पे फंदियों पे ऐसे लटके हुए रहते हैं सो दैट्स व्हाट इट्स लाइक इसलिए लाइक आई फाउंड इट रियली क्यूट एंड आई वाज लाइक गेट इट फॉर मी डैड तो आई गॉट दिस वन for I think so I got this keychain for 150 rupees because it really like इतना efforts डाले हुए लग रहे हैं इसमें तो उतना तो प्राइस रहेगा ही ना so I got that one for 150 rupees and I got another keychain so I got this single strawberry ka keychain let me add a clip and this one I got for 50 rupees only and there were like just these 2 types of keychain in that and again उधर भी like वो फ्रिज के मैग्नेट्स भी थे for the strawberry महाबलेश्वर there was like a whole new variety in that stamps but I had already brought those and that's all for the whole haul और मैं बताना भूल गई but there's like a cute little chain for this and that's all for the haul rhyming anyways that's all for this week's vlog and I'll see you girlies in my next vlog but until then don't forget to comment down below if you've ever been to महाबलेश्वर and वहाँ पे तुम सब ने क्या क्या एक्सप्लोर किया है या फिर क्या क्या शॉपिंग हॉल किया है and that's all I'll see you girlies in my next vlog and until then stay hydrated because heat बहुत बढ़ रही है and take care of yourselves I'll see you girlies in my next one bye